and thanks for joining me today. I am so glad that you guys are here. I just wanted to take a second and show this video real quick. One of my favorite things to make is a seasonal garden flag. And this one I happened to make from scratch. So I just took a piece of burlap banner and I sewed up the sides with my sewing machine real quick, making sure to leave a top so I could stick my metal garden post through it. I then went to town using my ink mats, and I was challenged this week by a designer studio or a corporate chalk team to showcase some oopsies, because we all make them, right? So I wanted to showcase this video, and I did very little editing on it because, hey, I wanted to show you guys. Okay, so there's a few things here. Number one is I didn't have a 3. So I used, oh, there's the one I talked too soon. So there was my first oopsie. This welcome transfer is actually like a year old. So it's not as sticky as I want it to be. So what I did was when I laid down the paste, it actually came back up. So I just put a little bit of paste in the middle of the transfer and I started spreading it from the middle out. That way that paste helped to act as like an adhesive to that transfer that might not have been as sticky as I would have liked. This came out beautiful, regardless of the fact that it pulled up in the middle. Whoops, nailed it, right? Totally nailed that, guys. So I went through and I did this all in black, and I'm using ink so I can be a little more patient with my transfers, but I do want to remove those. And look, I'm making a hot mess, guys, this project. I love the way it came out and I'm gonna use it anyway, but yep, there we go. A little ink on the fingers never hurt anyone, right? So we're gonna come down through here and we're gonna finish it out, and then I'm gonna show you down below where I used an 8 as a 3. Okay, and now down below, I somehow managed to lose my 3 on this, so I'm just gonna take an 8 and I am going to ink half of it, and that's how I'm gonna make my 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this play all the way through, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like at the end. Thanks again for stopping by, and make sure to subscribe and follow along.